start with that as our first taste. Okay.
See how it goes.
All right, so here we go with the strawberry. Everyone has their spoon. Okay, what did you think about that?
Wait, is this small?
Yeah, that's small. That was a no for Athena. Okay, what did you think? Thumbs up from Jade. What do you think?
It has a good strawberry flavor.
Oh, yeah, good strawberry flavor on it. Okay.
It's only a little bit sweet.
Only a little bit sweet. Well, you're right, because there is no added sugar in these whatsoever. Low calorie at 10 calories. But what you're getting is real strawberry puree. It's made here in America, actually in California. Some of the benefits of Seamoss, it's helping with detoxification, your digestion. It has prebiotic fibers in it. 92 different minerals. So instead of taking a bunch of supplements, add 2 tablespoons, whether you just take it straight or you can throw it in your smoothies. You ready for the next flavor?
I'm going to try it again just to
just to make sure. And you know what? I didn't try it yet, so I'm the last. Make sure you guys save room. We got 5 flavors, okay? What do you think about the texture?
I love it.
She loves it. I think it's kind of weird, personally, but
Like me.
you think it's a little weird too. But you actually, when you refrigerate it, this is at room temperature. Refrigerating it does make it, in my opinion, taste a little bit better.
It's going to thicken it a little bit.
Yeah.
So right now it kind of has the consistency of like an applesauce.
Mm-hmm. Let's do our mango pineapple. Who's ready for mango pineapple?
Me.
Okay, all right.
Wait, I tried this.
You've tried this one. This is the one, this is what we were introduced to this by, and I know you're a big fan. So let's try that. We'll go down the line. Mango pineapple. Mango pineapple for you guys. Thumbs up?
Maybe.
This is a maybe. Okay, you're giving it a maybe.
This is a good.
You're giving it a thumbs up? Okay. Let's see what I'm going to give this
Wait, there's some more on my spoon.
You would take it down.
I like this one better than the strawberry, personally.
I like both. I like this one better than the strawberry.
Now, one of the great things about this product too is you don't just have to have it by itself. You can put it into a smoothie or your favorite drink or your favorite food to be able to add the great ingredients that it has on it to be able to complement your system. So you know, we're talking the texture right now straight out of the jar, but because you can mix it with so many different things, you won't maybe even notice it.
Yeah, and this one, I actually really like that mango pineapple. I think if you're like looking for a good intro flavor, this is a really good intro flavor, especially if you have kids. It tastes like a popsicle, basically. Like, it's really good. Also, these are 100% vegan, non-GMO. We ready for our next flavor? Elderberry. Now, you girls love elderberry gummies. We take it a lot because elderberry helps with immunity. And the Seamoss gels are also really good for helping with immunity and boosting immunity. So here we go. Let's try some elderberry. Just a little bit. Okay, you ready for a taste test of elderberry? That's a no for you? Okay.
You can get the rest off of me.
Okay, I'll take the rest of Asian.
What I really like about them is they're savory. All the ones that we've tried so far are savory because they're unsweetened. And so that's also part of the health quality of it as well, is that you're not having to deal with any of the sugars that your body does not need.
What did you think about elderberry?
I think that it was kind of like sour.
A little sour. This one has some lime in it, lime puree. So a little hint of that sourness, and I tasted that as well. So one of the less sweet flavors right here is the elderberry. And when they arrive to you, they have a year shelf life, but once you open it, you do have to have it within 4 weeks and keep it refrigerated. Also, don't have it on an empty stomach. So it is evening time. We all have some full bellies here, so we're good to go on that. The next one we're gonna taste is unflavored.
Is it like a mystery flavor?
It's like a mystery flavor. That's what we say over here.
I had a feeling.
Okay, you ready for the mystery flavor?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your spoon? Now this one, consistency-wise, they're all kind of, when they're not refrigerated, that's the consistency, and I feel like this one's a little more maybe
silky.
runny than silky than the other ones. No for you. Okay.
This one reminds me
Oh, that's a
of like
tough one.
a lime popsicle.
Like a shot of like a tequila shot with lime.
Well, not a tequila shot, but yes, a little lime.
Yeah, I
lime
do
in it,
taste.
like a tart lime popsicle.
Okay, so this one is, and the reason you're tasting that is this one is purified water, dehydrated sea moss, lime puree, and then the ascorbic acid.
Oh, I don't like that one.
This is a tough one, okay? If you like lime, you're gonna love this. If you need more flavor, this is a tough one, I think. Out of all of them, this is not your beginner. Next one is our apple cinnamon flavor. And if you have kids, you know apple cinnamon. Applesauce is always a big hit. So let's try the apple cinnamon sea moss. This could be a really good way to get your kids to have all those nutrients. Okay, ready? All right, 5-year-old taste test. What are we saying?
Good.
Big smile. Is this your favorite? Thumbs up. All right.
That one, to me, tastes just like apple cinnamon applesauce.
Okay, so this is the most palatable, like for maybe non. Oh yeah. Okay, this is my favorite one too.
This is my favorite.
This one is so good.
That makes me want to try another one.
This one I could
Alright.
eat straight. So this is our big winner.
This one here, big winner, apple cinnamon, definitely preferred by everyone there. The easiest one to consume.
Say if I were to rank, I'm gonna go number 1, apple cinnamon. Number 2, I liked mango pineapple. What about you guys? What were your favorites?
I liked basically all of them, but the one that I don't like was this one.
Yeah. So
like that
the original is definitely the strongest for sure.